Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Pure Dating app review. Is it worth it? Looking for a spontaneous anonymous dating experience? Let's talk about the Pure Dating app. Launched in 2013, Pure focuses on privacy and casual connection with features like self-destructing chats, global access, and optional face blurring during video calls. It's built for those who want direct, no strings attached encounters. You'll find anonymous ads, screenshot alerts, and full control over chat timers and visibility. It also supports diverse gender identities, promoting an inclusive space. On the downside, Pure requires a subscription, has limited customer support, and its anonymity can attract misuse. In summary, Pure is due for those seeking discreet, casual interactions, but always prioritize safety and stay cautious. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.